is a tool that influences our worldview. The history of art transports us to other times and brings us closer to different types of realities. In this class, we will know who were the greatest exponents of Impressionism and Post Impressionism, how they deal with the criticism of that time, and review several points of why these artists revolutionized art and how they laid the foundation for modern art. Because there's before and after them. After these two avant-gardes, art was never the same again.
Hello, I'm Evelyn, I'm a graphic designer from Lima, Peru.
And my love of art and its history has always been linking around my life and my career. I think understanding art allows us to have new perspectives to create, observe, but also to question. This class is great for designers, illustrators, artists, and for all those who are curious to know how the great change that arose in art during the 19th century originated, and for everyone who wants to extend their knowledge and inquire new concepts to create. For the class project, we will see how you can use the concepts and technique of Impressionism and Post Impressionism and translate them into the personal style of your creations. Throughout the course, we will see why art is important. You will know about the artistic revolution they generated, we will talk about whether Van Gogh is Impressionist or not, and we will review the main artworks that you must know. Because life is full of momentary impressions, know the concept and technique of these avant-gardes and apply them to your next illustration or designs. Let's get started!